Okay, real quick in between doing other things. So I'm trying to simplify this expression right here, and I got this xz bar, and now also if you look at this one and this one together, you see that this one has an x bar and this one has an x, and otherwise they're the same. So that means we can just have y bar z bar. So now we have y bar z bar plus x z bar plus x y z. And then if I look at these last two right here, they're the same except for the z bar, and so I can just have x y. And so this simplifies into y bar z bar plus x z bar plus x y. And then let's see, what did your assignment say to do with this? It said, draw a circuit of logic gates for your expression for H, map it to IC chips, and then if you needed a 3-input AND gate, you can use a 4-input AND gate and set one of the 4 to... Okay, so what this is saying is if we look at our chips that you have available in the lab, they are 2-input, 3-input, 4-input. So let's say you needed a 4-input AND gate. I'm not sure because we have a 3-input AND gate. What about an OR gate? Well, we only have a 2-input OR gate, so like let's say you had a 4-input OR gate and you only had 2-input gates to use with those. You could have 2 like that, and then you could take the OR of those. Similarly, let's say you had an AND with 6 for some reason, then you could have 2 3-input AND gates and put those together in a 2-input AND gate. You can also always, if I have to use a 3-input AND gate, so it's a 3-input, that's all I've got available, and I only need to AND 2 things together, then I can put my 2 things there and I can AND them with a 1. So you can always put in a 1 if you needed to do that. The circuit that I came up with ends up, that's not nothing too weird with it. But always be on the lookout for things like XY or XY bar or X bar Y. That's the same as an exclusive OR. So that's the same as X exclusive OR Y. Also be on the lookout for, if I have X bar, Y bar, Z bar, that is the same as, that's the same as X or Y or Z bar, so that's a NOR. So X bar, Y bar, Z bar is the same as the NOR of X, Y, Z. And I'm 4 minutes late for something. Let me see, was there anything else? Nope, that's it. Okay, all right.